Today we're checking out the SCT Performance X4 SF4 Power Flash Tuner for the 2010 to 2014 6.2 liter F-150 Raptor. If you want a quicker throttle response, stronger mid-range pull, and the ability to turn off some less desirable stuff like auto start stop, then this keeps things easy and it's definitely worth checking out. Right away, the key feature here is going to start with the preloaded tunes that you can pick by fuel grade for simple power and throttle gains. You can also load custom tunes if that's what you're wanting to do. This also lets you adjust tire size and gear ratio so your speedometer and shift points feel right again. And you can raise and lower that speed limiter if that's something that's getting in your way. This has a long list of adjustable parameters, so I definitely suggest checking it out on the product page to really see what this is capable of, from adjusting the idle RPM, the fuel injector size, and so much more. You can also read and clear trouble codes, watch live gauges on the screen like air to fuel ratio, and data logging if you want to track how your truck has been running. Updates are very simple and you can always return the truck to stock with a few button presses. Most folks choose a tuner after bigger tires throw off that speedometer, when they want snappier throttle response for daily driving or even towing, or they just want a little extra shove without paying for a full dyno tune. The almost 3-inch full color LCD screen is adjustable to portrait and landscape mode, helping you mount wherever you find the most convenient for a seamless integration into the truck. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting a very compact handheld tuner with a clear colored screen and easy arrow buttons to navigate everything, all in an OBD2 port cable that's gonna plug right into the port under the dash. The casing's gonna be tough enough so if it gets banged around a little bit in the process or around the truck, it's not gonna break over time, and the menus are gonna be simple, so you're not guessing your way through everything. The cords and connectors are built to handle heat and vibration in the cab and under the dash, and the unit saves your stock file, so you can go back to it and revert back to stock at any time. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid $400 price range. For a plug and play tuner that gives you power, tons of adjustable parameters, and code reading all in one solid box, this is a great value in my opinion for that mid $400 range. All right, when it comes to the install process on this is gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done, set up and running in 15 minutes of your time. Now, let's see exactly how this goes with a quick install video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
All you're gonna need for this install is gonna be the tuner and your keys. Here's the 2 cables and the tuner itself. And then my keys. Gonna plug the tuner in the OBD2 port. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the key in. I'm not gonna turn it, I'm just going to put it in. To program the vehicle, you're gonna program the vehicle. You continue. It's gonna ask you to put the key in on position. So one more switch. Without turning it on, you press continue. It detected my truck, so it's showing custom tunes, none in the tuner. You're gonna choose your vehicle. Then you're gonna next you can change the octane, you can change the airbox that you're running, your speed limit. To change something, just go in, go choose your option, select everything that you want to set on your tuner, and then just hit approve. And once you hit approve, it'll start loading your tune. Okay, once gives you the option to return to stock after you've tuned it. You can check your data.
All right, well, that's going to wrap up my review and install of the SCT Performance X4 SF4 Power Flash Tuner for the 2010 to 2014 6.2 liter F-150 Raptors. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.